Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fish lumpia, easy method. Start by flaking cooked firm white fish and squeezing out excess moisture to prevent soggy rolls. Mix fish with finely chopped onions, garlic, green onions, soy sauce, and a touch of lemon juice for brightness. Keep filling compact but not dry, and brush edges with water to seal wrappers tightly for crisp, neat lumpia when fried. Flake cooked fish into uniform pieces and mix with sautéed onions, garlic, and green onions for consistent texture and flavor. Add soy sauce, a little sugar, and lemon juice to create balance and avoid overpowering the fish. Taste and adjust seasoning now so you don't oversalt later. Let the filling cool in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to firm up, making it easier to roll thin, neat lumpia that crisp evenly. Lay a wrapper diagonally and place a small spoonful of filling near the corner, then fold and roll tightly, sealing the edge with a dab of water. Keep rolls compact to avoid bursting during frying and maintain even size for consistent cooking times. Heat oil to medium-high and fry in batches until golden brown, turning gently for even color. Drain lumpia on paper towels and serve hot with a tangy vinegar dip for contrast and freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.